Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Inspect the page in Google Search Console and confirm it returns a 200 status code, not a 4XX or 5XX. Once done, check robots. TXT and the page's meta robots tag to make sure indexing is allowed. Make sure to remove any noindex directives. Also verify the canonical tag points to this exact URL. Then use the URL inspection tool and hit request indexing, so Google is alerted to recrawl the page immediately. Now focus on the core fixes that let Google actually crawl and understand your page. Eliminate redirect chains and use a single 300 one when permanently moving content. Once done, add the URL to your XML sitemap and include internal links from high-authority pages. Make sure the sitemap is submitted in Search Console. Next, optimize load speed, mobile responsiveness, and add structured data so Google can index content reliably. These actions increase crawl priority and reduce indexing friction over time. Finish by rechecking the URL inspection report. Confirm coverage shows valid indexing and note the last crawl date. Once done, monitor Search Console performance and coverage for impressions and errors. Make sure to address any new issues quickly. If indexing still fails, inspect blocked resources like CSS/JS or intermittent server errors and fix them, because Google may drop pages missing critical assets. As a troubleshooting tip, reproduce the fetch with Googlebot user agent to surface hidden server.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.